Every business coach carries a story shaped by experience, purpose, and a desire to help others grow. For Premendra Parsan, business has always been a part of his journey. As a second-generation business owner and certified business coach, Premendra understands what it means to build, manage, and grow a business from the inside. With hands-on experience across retail, manufacturing, and creative enterprises, he has seen firsthand the pressures business owners face as they scale their teams, strengthen their systems, and work towards greater profitability.
I'm Premendra Parsan, a second-generation business owner. I understand firsthand the responsibilities, the pressure, the decision-making that comes with building a growing business. That journey is what led me to business coaching. Over the years, I've worked alongside business owners and leaders who want more clarity, stronger systems, better team performance, and healthier growth within their business. A big part of my work is focused on helping entrepreneurs strengthen the foundation of their business, getting clear on their vision, the direction, and improving time management, building financial disciplines, and developing a team that can grow with the business.
Through his work with founders and entrepreneurs across Guyana, Premendra continues to help business owners build strong foundations for long-term success. He is known for combining practical systems with mindset, accountability, and values-driven leadership.
I believe that growth comes from creating structure, building leadership capacity, and making intentional decisions that support both the business and the people behind it. My goal is to help business owners lead with great confidence, create strong businesses, and grow in a way that both is effective and sustainable.
With a master's degree in medium and small enterprise management, Premendra brings both academic knowledge and real-world experience to his coaching. His work helps business owners lead well, build strong cultures, and create lasting impact. Premendra Parsan is more than a business coach. He's a guide for entrepreneurs who want to grow with purpose, structure, and sustainability.